What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. It seems as though YouTube is currently suppressing crypto content, so make sure to come back and check every day for daily updates, as notifications aren't currently being sent out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So it does look as though Hedera is still trading downwards inside of this huge channel that it's been in basically for about 3 months now. We're still trading downwards here, as you can see. It does look as though we've bounced pretty nicely off of this macro blue trend line that we've outlined here. It does seem as though things are looking pretty strong from what we can tell in terms of this trend line. We did get this little fake out to the downside underneath 20 cents here, this level here that we have been holding as very, very strong buy zone that we do believe will continue to be a very strong support for Hedera. It does seem as though every single time that we've come into this area, we have actually come back out of it fairly quickly. Although we have said that the more times that this gets tested, the more chance of it there is of being broken. And obviously with Bitcoin going down to 31k, that we did see basically in the past week or so, Hedera also did have a big movement to the downside. Pretty much all altcoins have been bleeding recently because I think money has been moving out of altcoins back into Bitcoin, because it does seem as though Bitcoin is moving up nicely. But as we can see, we've got this nice W bottom, double bottom, as you could say, as you can see there. And then we moved back up to around 22 cents here before we got rejected again. We're currently trading back down in and around that 20 cent level. But it does seem as though things are just chilling out for Hedera currently. The volume is pretty damn low in comparison to what we've seen recently. And this is probably the same for pretty much all altcoins from what we can tell. Obviously, everyone seems to be waiting for Bitcoin to do something significant. From what we can tell, there's a record number of stablecoins on the sidelines. I think there's around 60 billion market cap for Tether, $20 billion market cap for USDC. So there's a lot of stablecoins on the sidelines right now waiting to get back in our opinion. And it does seem as though it'll only be a matter of time before the market is doing something significant to the upside. Bitcoin looks as though it's flirting in and around that 40k range, with potentially that break up to the 42 level, which is the level that we've been outlining for some time. We do think if we can get back up of that 42k level, which is essentially where we broke down and all of this super bearishness in the market started. We do think that if this is the case, things are going to look very, very good for Bitcoin in our opinion. If it can break above 42k and backtest and continue upwards, we do think pretty much all altcoins are going to benefit from this as well, and we don't see any reason to suggest that Hedera won't be involved in this in our opinion. So obviously, as we continue to move down, we're still stuck underneath this resistance that we've been under for some time here. But the further that we come down, the more chance of a bounce to the upside and a break out of this structure, because it becomes easier to get to these levels. And as we can see, we did recently hit this 26 to 27 cent level, basically a week or so ago. So it's very likely that we could break this descending channel if we get a nice little run up in the wider market. So if we just take a look at what's been happening over the past 24 hours or so for Hedera, it does look as though we did get this W bottom, as we can see here. Got the nice reversal with the flip of the EMAs to bullish again, which is nice to see. We did come all the way back up to around these levels here, but it does look as though we did get rejected at around this 22 cent level where there was this previous swing high, locally at least. And it looks as though Bitcoin in the past 15 minutes or so is actually falling back down to around 39k. So we're getting a bit of downwards momentum building here for Hedera. It does seem as though it's bouncing in and around this 20 cent level again though, which does seem to be quite a key area for Hedera. And obviously, as we said, if Bitcoin can get that retest at 38k and then spring upwards towards 42k and break it, we do think Hedera is probably going to get a nice pump as well. And we do want to see it basically in the short term breaking out of this resistance that we've been under for basically a long time now. As we can see, this could potentially be the biggest bull flag in history and then bouncing to the upside. But it does seem likely that we could break this 24 cent level if Bitcoin can get the pump we're looking for. So Short term, not looking too good, obviously. I think people would probably be quite disappointed with how things have been going short term in the wider market in general, but long term, we do think Hedera is a project that can do extremely well. We do think it could be $5 to $10 by the end of the bull run, which is a nice 20 or 30x from the current price. And then obviously, in the longer term, 5 to 10 years down the road, we do think Hedera could be 20, 30, maybe even $50 per token, depending on how much adoption and a pump it gets. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.